Okay, hi, Miss Janaya.
Hi.
Anong gagawin natin?
So today I was wondering, sorry, my hair is like
Oh,
gelled down right now. Here's
okay.
like gel.
Okay,
But I was thinking of highlights.
okay. This
Like
is
a
not,
dark
mm,
chocolate.
okay. This is black. You dye it black?
Yes,
Okay.
jet black so many times repeatedly.
Okay.
Because I had my hair blonde
And then
for
dark.
the past 2 years. So then I kind of dyed it black.
Okay.
Mm.
Sige. Oh, si black kasi, mahirap siya i-lighten up.
Oh,
So,
really?
kailangan natin siya i-bleach ng i-bleach to lighten. So,
Oh.
if meron ka ng existing bleach, dinarken mo siya, another bleach ako, so baka yung mga previous bleach, hindi pa siya magla-lighten. Tapos another
Okay.
bleach ako, baka mag-rubberize lang.
Okay.
Pero try ko mag-strand test ng bleach kung kaya niya i-lighten up. Pero pag hindi, ikikip mo siya.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's
Ha?
fine.
Yeah. Para lang at least alam natin kung hanggang saan tayo.
Okay.
Ha? Kasi po, puro black.
Very dark.
Okay, sige. Let's do a test muna, ha?
Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay, balikan
Okay.
kita later. Okay.
So cute. Who's this she?
Diba? Kim Kardashian.
Kim.
Si Kim. Tingin. Ayan. Pak. Plakado. Yan. Pretty lang. So, yung color natin, next time na natin ma-achieve kasi nga, nag-black ka.
It's okay. In a few months, we'll come back.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So, ang ginawa lang natin is to smoothen your hair, to remove the frizziness. Yan. Just Brazilian lang. Oh,
Perfect.
perfect. Isa pa.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, amazing. Thank you. So, in terms naman sa mga maintenance, more conditioner lang. Perfect na
Okay.
yan. Ha? Thank you.
Thank you.
Pretty na
I love
nani.
it.
Thank you.
Bye. That was so